Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you guys on how to make a part that kills you when being touched. So let's get right into it. So first things first, what I want you guys to do is insert a part in the workspace, alright? And then just move it over here and change its size to whatever size you want. I'll just keep it 7.5 studs. And now what I want you guys to do is insert a script inside of the part. Now, what I want you guys to do is delete this statement and get the part by simply typing local part equals script.parent. Alright, so what this does, it just gets the part that is right about the script. Now, what we want to do is we want to check if the part is being touched. So we simply type Part.Touched connect function, and the parameter is going to be the part that touched the kill part, which is simply going to be hit. Alright. Now what we want to do is we want to check if the part that touched is a character, so we simply type local humanoid equals hit dot parent FindFirstChild humanoid. Alright. So basically only characters have humanoids. No other part in this Roblox world has a humanoid. So what we're doing is we're going to get the humanoid from this variable, alright? If the part that touched the kill part has the humanoid, then this script will fire or else something will happen, alright? So now what we're going to do is if humanoid then, alright? It's going to check if the part that touched the kill part has the instance called humanoid, which only characters do. Players, other parts don't really have the humanoid, alright? If humanoid then, what we're going to do is we're just going to simply put the health back to 0 by typing humanoid.health equals 0, alright? And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is your very simple and neat kill brick script. So let me recap this one more time. What this does is it first checks if this particular kill part is being touched, right? So this is the kill part, the sample kill part is being touched or not. After checking the part is being touched, we simply add a parameter called hit, which is basically the other part that is being touched, alright? Now what I'm going to do is you're getting the humanoid by simply typing hit.parent FindFirstChild humanoid. So what this exactly does is it checks whether the other part has a humanoid or not. For example, in this case, the base plate is actually touching this part, but the base plate does not have a humanoid, which is why this whole thing is going to turn nil if the base plate touches the part. However, if the human touches the part, the humanoid would exist, meaning that this particular if statement would return true if a player touches the part. So now, after checking if the humanoid exists, we simply put the humanoid's health back to 0. So now, if we click run, okay, my carriage is going, you would be able to see that and upon touching, kills you, alright? Upon touching the part, kills you because only players have humanoids. As you can see, all challenges in my name, and if you go under, you'll see humanoid, alright? Only players have humanoids, alright? So let's say the hit is going to be, I don't know, probably the left foot or the right foot. Any one of these parts would be the hit. And the hit's parent is all tantrums. And its parent and its child is humanoid, alright? This is the child of this model. This FindFirstChild checks if the humanoid exists under this model, which is all tantrums, right? Which it does, like the humanoid right over here. And then if humanoid, then it simply goes by 0. And there's actually a property called health inside of humanoid, right? So this particular property becomes 0. Right now it's 100, but after if you touch it, you automatically convert it back to 0. So this is how this whole script works. I really hope this video gave you a good insight on how kill parts work and how the scripts works as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.